Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mood board, and it's really simple. So the first app that I use is Phonto. Phonto has tons of cute fonts. I usually always have an image saved that I always use as my background for my mood boards. I use Phonto for titles and mostly any other text that I might be putting on my mood board. Here I select the color and the font that I want to use. Then I change the size and I use the Move tool to center the title at the top of the mood board. Don't forget to save once you're done with the title. The next app that I use is Pixar. Pixar is pretty easy to use and it also has a ton of stickers to put on your mood board. This lookbook is about Belle from Beauty and the Beast, so I look up yellow clothes to put on it. Then I can scroll through until I find a PNG that I like and that fits the theme. Other places to find PNGs include Pinterest, Google, and PNG accounts on Instagram. Also, if you want to learn how to change the colors on the stickers, stay tuned for more videos about mood boarding. Then you basically keep finding PNGs that you like and fitting them into the mood board. Making them similar colors usually makes your board look more organized and aesthetic. Once you're done, you might notice that there's some empty spaces. Fillers are the solution for that. One good and iconic mood board filler is the one that I'm using here, the star. Other fillers include lines, small PNGs, emojis, and doodle. That's what it looks like with the stars. Less boring, right? Here, I realized that I want to add something. So I go back into Phonto to add more text to my mood board. As you can see, when I write the text and I position it where I want, I notice that there's no room for it because of the stars. Let me teach you how to fix that. This also works for spelling errors, wrong PNGs, and other mistakes. First, I'm going to take a picture with the same background color as the mood board I'm working on. Then I'll crop it so just the background color is showing. Then I use the cropped image to cover the mistakes or messed up spots. And as you can see, the stars are all gone. Now I can add the text that I wanted to add before. And that's the final copy. That was a really simple and beginner's guide to mood boards. Let me know if you want more content like this. I'm totally willing to go more in depth about things you want to know. I'm planning on making more detailed and advanced tip videos based on what I know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. Bye!